Softmax, the function behind every LLM decision. Softmax converts raw scores into probabilities that sum to 100%. Raise E to each score. Add them up. Divide each by the total. Done. Softmax runs in two places: inside attention, to weight each word; at the output, to pick the next token. When processing SAT, the model gives 53% attention to CAT. Softmax ensures all 6 weights sum to 100%. At the output, 50,000 word scores go through Softmax. The model picks MAT at 76%, every single step. One function, every attention weight, every token. That's Softmax.